Welcome to the new 9RX. A range of 3 ultra maximum power output of more than 900 horsepower. But it's not only about having the largest power output of any production tractor. More power in combination with a more efficient engine lets you cover more hectares in less time with less fuel used. Additional costly labour and machine hours can be saved. It's also about a simpler ownership experience. All core components, engine, transmission, cab, axles and precision ag technologies are designed and built by John Deere. This is the new top model, the 9RX 830. It comes with a 10% power bulge, which gets you even through the toughest spots in the field. The additional 83 horses deliver maximum power of 913 horsepower. With the 9RX 770 and 710, we have 2 models that seamlessly extend the portfolio from our current 9RX 640 to the new 9RX 830 top model. Hydraulic intelligent power management is also available as an option, which provides an additional 40 horsepower for demanding hydraulic applications. Although it shares the same model name with today's 13.6-litre versions, the 3 new 9RX models have been designed from the ground up. There are more than 50 different new features compared to the lower horsepower models. The new JD18 engine is John Deere's most advanced engine and comes with an 18-litre displacement for pure power and torque. By the way, it has the same engine as on several of our forage harvesters, known for their outstanding performance and endurance in droop conditions under heavy load. It has a maintenance-free valve train, longer service intervals and uses less oil. Designed for a service life of 20,000 hours, it has better diagnostic controls, which is extra useful if you've given your dealer permission to remotely monitor your machine to eliminate downtime for you. Another big advantage is it doesn't need any diesel exhaust fluid. Apart from one less service item, it will bring big savings over the lifetime of the machine. To get all this power to the ground, we need a heavier machine to create the required traction. Up front, there is a new, easy and fast to mount 1,000 kilogram chin strap ballast weight. In combination with the new undercarriage and additional rear weights, they allow you to use every horsepower productively. All that extra weight won't increase soil compaction either. Featuring new undercarriage design with a longer wheelbase and 3 mid-rollers, we increased the footprint of this tractor. It has the same low ground pressure as the current 9RX models. A much larger drive wheel engages more belt lugs for efficient power transmission to the ground. The combination of more horsepower and weight allows you to use bigger implements, reducing field passes significantly. This helps keep your soil healthy and ensures high yields in the future. Conveniently placed at the rear for easy access, there are optional dual or triple hydraulic pump options. With up to 636 litres per minute, this provides enough flow for even the biggest, most demanding implements. You'll enjoy precise control and no compromise on steering when under maximum load. Access to the cab is really easy, as the steps have been angled towards the rear. This is the new Command View 4 Plus cab. Once you're inside and close the door, the first thing you notice is just how quiet it is. The soundproofing is excellent. The visibility is also excellent. The air intake and exhaust pipe are positioned in the lines of sight of the A-pillars, so they don't block your view. We also removed many blackout areas and eliminated most of the right-hand console. This gives you much better visibility of your surroundings and implement. It's a fantastic space for long hours in the field. A super comfortable massage seat, a touchscreen infotainment system, and 6 speakers with a subwoofer for a really awesome sound. You've also got more legroom, something you really notice when you swing to the right to check on the implement. In rainy conditions, you'll also appreciate the new wiper design. Positioned in the bottom center of the screen, whatever the weather, you'll be able to see everything you need to. The newly developed E21 PowerShift transmission is a highly durable design. The full mechanical power transfer ensures the maximum power gets to the ground without major losses. The higher number of gears provide close gear spacing, so you can always set the right speed for the work you're doing, almost like with a stepless transmission. It drives beautifully too. The active command steering makes it very easy to control when you're maneuvering at headlands or on the road. Yes, the road. With the narrow 30-inch tracks, the engineers have managed the seemingly impossible, keeping the width below the 3-meter limit. The ride is excellent due to the cab suspension system with 3 degrees of freedom. It's very similar to the system on the 8RX, which has had a lot of positive feedback from customers. 4 shock absorbers positioned in each corner allow the whole cab to move, which gives you a very comfortable ride. Integrated into the roof is the latest Starfire receiver. Then here we have the high-definition G5 Plus touchscreen display. It's much bigger with a faster processor, making it highly responsive when switching between screens. You can manage everything from one screen. With the optional extended display, you can double the viewable area for control of more complex applications. It comes in base with auto track, variable rate and section control. The optional advanced licenses offers more precision ag features like machine sync, autopath, in-field data sharing and Starfire RTK with a pass-to-pass accuracy of 2.5 centimeters. JD Link connectivity automatically sends details of every pass to the John Deere Operations Center. It also allows your dealer to remotely monitor performance and carry out predictive maintenance with expert alerts, avoiding potential machine downtime. Regular maintenance is fast and easy and can be done from the ground. With minimal tasks, it will save you time in the field. Service intervals are longer too, reducing downtime and operating costs. All the daily fluid level checks such as coolant, hydraulics and oil can be done from the ground. The fuel tank filler is also conveniently placed by the steps, and if you choose the fast filling option, it takes less than 4 minutes to fill. And best of all, you don't need any DEF. You'll also stay cleaner on hot and dusty days. The platform around the cab makes it much easier and safer for maintenance access. The engine cooling package doesn't need to be cleaned as frequently either. And when it does, you can blow out dust and residues from the cooling system at the press of a button from inside the cab. And if there is a seldom repair requirement, the 9RX vehicle concept is specifically designed to facilitate easy and efficient component replacement in the field with minimal effort. When talking about these new 9RX models, it's easy to focus exclusively on the high horsepower, but they are more than that. It's about how you use this extra power. More power means bigger implements, fewer passes, faster jobs, better work quality. And when the weather windows are tight, it means you can get the job done when others can't. The new 9RX, farm stronger.